deep in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, where the air drips with life and death, something waits, motionless, glowing like an emerald flame. Meet the Wagler's pit viper, the most beautiful killer on Earth. Its scales shimmer in greens, yellows, and blues, colors that should belong to parrots or tropical fish, not to a venomous assassin. But beauty here is a weapon. Those colors say one thing to the jungle: come closer, and you die. Found in Malaysia, Thailand, and southern Pakistan's humid forests, this viper rules the canopy, striking silently from the shadows of vines. Its head is triangular, its eyes burn gold, and between them, heat-sensing pits that can detect the warmth of prey even in total darkness. When the jungle sleeps, it awakens, a living motion detector, tracking frogs, birds, and bats by the heat of their blood. The Wagler's viper doesn't chase. It waits, sometimes for hours, sometimes for days. Every drop of patience stored like venom in its fangs. And when it finally strikes, it's faster than a blink. The entire attack lasts less than 0.3 seconds. Its venom is a cocktail of hemotoxins, designed not to kill instantly, but to melt tissue and paralyze nerves. And yet, to temple monks in parts of Southeast Asia, this same snake is sacred, a symbol of balance between beauty and danger. That's why it's called the temple viper. In Buddhist shrines, it's seen not as evil, but as an eternal guardian. But science tells another story, one of pure predatory perfection. Its fangs fold like switchblades, hidden until the exact millisecond of attack. It doesn't just bite, it injects. Each fang is a hollow needle delivering death with surgical accuracy. Unlike cobras or rattlesnakes, Wagler's viper doesn't warn. It believes in silence, stillness, the elegance of inevitability. And it doesn't slither far. Its entire kingdom may be a single tree, where everything that moves above or below eventually stops moving. Females are larger and more colorful, while males stay slimmer and darker, nature's own design of beauty as dominance. Scientists once placed one in an enclosed terrarium with a small bird. The bird never saw it move, but within seconds, it was gone. They even studied its strike using high-speed cameras, revealing that the snake predicts the prey's next move before attacking. Evolution gifted it with pit organs, so sensitive they can detect heat differences as small as 3 degrees Celsius, almost supernatural precision. Even more eerie, it doesn't rely on sound or sight. A Wagler's viper can hunt perfectly well, blindfolded. And though humans fear it, bites are rare, not because it's shy, but because it doesn't need to prove anything. Power, in its world, is quiet. Its slow life rhythm means it eats rarely, moves little, and yet outlives most snakes. Patience isn't weakness, it's mastery. It's venomous, yes, but also vulnerable. Deforestation and illegal wildlife trade have pushed this masterpiece of nature toward decline. Still, the Wagler's pit viper endures, gliding through branches like a living piece of art painted by evolution itself. Each scale, each color pattern is unique. No two Wagler's vipers are identical. They are nature's fingerprint. And unlike many snakes, they give birth to live young, each one emerging already venomous, already deadly. If humans disappeared, this creature would thrive, a silent hunter beneath eternal rain, keeping nature's balance intact. Its beauty deceives, its calmness kills. But perhaps that's what makes it unforgettable, a paradox wrapped in scales. In every jungle, every story, there's always something that looks too perfect to be real, until it strikes. The Wagler's pit viper, proof that sometimes the deadliest things in nature are also the most breathtaking.